Mga kaibigan, magkapi-kapi sa ta because we need to go our job, we need to go our work, we need to go our to rendering the duty of this our designated designations on tasking. It is dark coffee without sugar that I need to be took here, mga kaibigan. Why the case being dismissed by the court? There is a lot of things, there is a lot of questions that you raise up and you asking about that. But in the first place, I am not one of those expert to determine that the kinds, but it is only a justifications to the court. Only the court has the power to dismiss the case were filed, mga kaibigan. But I am here to reiterate a little bit of an information, a little bit of regarding of that, mga kaibigan, in order for me to answer your questions. That I am not an expert, I am not a lawyer, I am not an investigator. But for me, the only one thing I'm pretty sure to dismiss the case is only for the court to determine why they are dismissing on that particular case you will be filed, mga kaibigan, in court. Even siguro, so there is a lack of jurisdiction, lack of evidences, or anything, mga kaibigan. There is a lot, no, mga kaibigan, to be understand why the case being be dismissed in the court. But fearfully, only the judge to determine with that, and the presiding judge in every court of law here in the country, why the case being be dismissed. So one of those I am talking here, it's all about either the lack of jurisdictions or the witness cannot able to stand their affidavit where the case regarding of the case, and many others, because there are the court or the presiding judge of every court, they could not be easily to dismiss that particular case where be filed in that court. Even the judge, it's all takes a long time to determine why they are dismissing this case. So that's why every questions that you raise up and you asking about that, it should be go to the court, especially talk the lawyer and talk the court why they are dismiss this case, mga kaibigan. Because the duty of the law enforcement officer in the PNP, especially who filed that case, is only for determining and that case being be filed is there is a probable cause. So that's why they are accepted by the prosecutor, because the case will be able to file before go to the RTC or NTC should be done by the prosecutor from our investigator through the prosecutor, then prosecutor will be into the court. So that's why I don't have enough knowledge, as I mentioned, told you earlier, that I am not one of those experts that you need a concrete idea. Just go to the expert for you to have a concrete idea about that. So you can come up into your own conclusions why the case being be dismissed. Even you are the most powerful in this universe. Even you are the 25 generals star here in this universe. But the case will be dismissed because only the court and the presiding judge of the certain court where the case will be able to file. So only the court has the power to convict and to dismiss the case. So that is why I don't have enough knowledge regarding of that. But I only for to reiterate these informations because of the questions you raise up and to asking about that. So only the judge. If there is a big lack of jurisdiction and everything should be the case will be filed, will be dismissed from the prosecutor, but the case will be dismissed by the court, only the judge to determine the justifications. So if the law enforcement officer investigator were filing a case to the prosecutor through the court, and then from that the prosecutor where the case will be filed is cannot be able to go up into the higher court, and then that is the lapses of the investigator on case, but the case will be placed on that certain court from the prosecutor, so meaning to say that the case is not all about there is a big discrepancy, but it is only for the judge has power to determine and to justify why they are dismissing that case. But mind you, I am not a pretty sure to be one of those experts that you need. I am not expert. I am not lawyer. I am not everything. I am belong to the slap soil and the very ordinary person of this universe. Thank you so much.